Hello everyone. In this tutorial I discuss about BIU of 8086 microprocessor. So actually what is BIU? That means bus interface unit. Okay. So actually BIU takes care of all data and address transfer on the buses for EU. Okay. Then like sending address, fetching instruction from the memory, reading data from the parts or port and the memory, as well as writing data to the port and the memory. So it has following functional parts. First one is instruction queue. Okay. BIU contains the instruction queue. BIU gets into 6 bytes of next instructions and stores them in the instruction queue when EU executes. Then fetching the next instruction while the current instruction execute is called pipeline. That means okay. Then segment register. BIU has 4 segment register. First one is CS, second one DS, SS and ES. CS means code segment. It is used for addressing a memory location in the code segment of the memory where the executable program is stored. DS means data segment. It contains of data used by the program and accessed in the data segment by an offset address. SS means stack segment. It handles memory to store data and address during executions. ES means extra segment. ES is additional data segment which is used by the string to hold extra destination of data. So thank you everyone and subscribe my channel. See you in next tutorial.